Welcome back to the course. To continue with our third and final module, we're going to look at a free resource online to assist you with identifying cardiac anatomy when using intracardiac ultrasound, otherwise known as ICE. To begin, open Chrome or any other browser of your choice and type in jnjinstitute.com. This is the J&J Institute website from Johnson & Johnson. The goal here is to support the professional growth of those who care for others. This website, along with 24 centers around the world, provides ongoing learning opportunities that result in improved patient outcomes. Let's see what's available for cath lab and EP lab staff interested in learning more about cardiac ultrasound. Go to the top and click on Online Learning. As you can see, there's a wide variety of disciplines represented here. From this page, find cardiology and electrophysiology and select. I'm going to scroll up a bit here. And over on the right, you'll see IntraCardiac Echo, so we'll click on that. And on this page, you'll find several videos covering the use of ICE during different procedures, such as atrial septal defect, patent foramen ovale closure, atrial flutter and ventricular tachycardia, and atrial fib cases. These do a great job of showing and explaining different ICE views during live procedures and are definitely worth the time to watch. While we're here, let's click on this video and take a look at ICE use during an atrial flutter ablation. There are always one or two disclaimer slides and then the video will start. We'll see a 3D map of the right atrium, and then we'll see the ultrasound imaging pop up on the right side of the screen.
Pace from CS to me. Pull up. Yep, that's good. Not that fast. There you go. For the purposes of cavo-tricuspid isthmus flutter ablation in the presence of intracardiac echo, I find it to be very beneficial to identify the actual anatomy and structure length of the cavo-tricuspid isthmus. So you see here, I've taken a lateral point, and my transisthmus time from CS prox to me is quite short. So now, with the point on my map, go ahead and take a point, Andrew. He is in sinus rhythm but has a history of atrial flutter. We'll pace from CS prox. You can actually see my ablation catheter there right on the actual valve side of the cavo-tricuspid isthmus. Right there. You can see an annular signal.
I'm going to pause this right now and just point out, here's the tricuspid valve he was talking about. This is the inferior vena cava emptying into the body of the right atrium. And this shiny curved structure is actually the ablation catheter that we also see right here. As the video progresses, it will show the path of ablation from the tricuspid valve to the IVC. And I do recommend that you come back and watch this in its entirety. There's a lot of good information presented, including identifying ventricular structures later on using ICE. The more you see and study cardiac ultrasound images, the better you will be at knowing what you're looking at.